Hey there, welcome to Quick Scraper. In this video, I will show you how to extract product data from eBay.com and XLSX. From your dashboard, jump to the add-ons section, click on the Parser, and subscribe to the eBay XLSX Parser from the list. Now jump to the Parser section, and you will be able to see the eBay Parser under the subscribed Parser list. Now, to extract data, jump to the Request tab, click on the new request, copy and paste the product URL from eBay.com. Select the eBay.com parser from the list, and click Parse. Here, you can see that the file has been downloaded successfully with data like name, price, rating, shipping information, and more. Thanks for watching this video.